In this demonstration, we will demonstrate how to add multiple devices in the administrator console using the Microsoft Windows MSI Installer. In the administrator console, select Devices from the left navigation pane. Click Add Device. Enter a new device name. For the operating system, select Microsoft Windows MSI from the drop-down menu and enter the customer details. Specify the number of installations and link expiry. In this example, we will retain the number of installations to no limit and toggle on link never expires. Click Save. A new window appears with a notification message indicating that the MSI file is being generated. When the MSI file has been generated, it appears in the Downloads folder. Send the MSI file to the remote user and guide them through the installation wizard. When the remote user completes the installation process, the new agent will appear in the devices list.